Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to store and organize client documents, office files, and policy records in one secure location. Attaching documents to a client profile ensures that everything you need for your clients is at your fingertips. Navigate to the Documents tab on the left-hand navigation, where you will see a collection of documents uploaded either by yourself or by an upline BGA and shared with you. From here, you can upload a document by clicking on the Upload File button and selecting a file from your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, click on the Actions button on the right-hand side and select Share. From here, you'll be able to select a policy owner to share the document with. Click on the Share button, and once this is completed, you can navigate back to the policy owner. Click on their name one more time to be brought to the policy owner profile screen. Then click on the Documents tab, where you can see the document you just shared with the policy owner is there for easy access. Overall, NIC's document management allows you to securely store and attach files to client profiles, keeping all important records organized and easily accessible. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.